Whiskey is a type of alcoholic beverage that is made from grains such as barley, corn, or rye. It's a popular drink enjoyed by many adults. But do you know how it's made? The process of making whiskey is called distillation. First, the grains are mashed and mixed with water to make a mash. This mass is then cooled and mixed with yeast. The yeast turns the sugar in the mash into alcohol, which gives the whiskey its distinct taste and smell. After several days, the mash is moved to a still, which is a big metal pot with a long tube coming out of the top. The mash is heated up, and the alcohol inside turns into vapor, rising up the tube and into a second container. This container is called condenser, and it cools the alcohol vapor back down into a liquid form, which is now whiskey. Next, the resulting liquid is aged in wooden barrels to give it its characteristic color and flavor. The amount of time the whiskey is aged can vary, with some varieties being aged for only a few years and others for several decades. During the aging process, the whiskey takes on the flavors of the wood and develops a rich, complex flavor. Different types of barrels, such as those made from oak or cherry wood, can also influence the flavor of the whiskey. In summary, whiskey is made by mashing grains, distilling the resulting liquid, and aging the whiskey in wooden barrels to give it its unique color and flavor. The end product is a delicious and complex alcoholic beverage that has been enjoyed by people for centuries. Tell me in comment section below what you would like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.